Good morning student. In last lecture we start indefinite integration. Today we discuss integration by substitution. So there is some example from exercise 3.2 and our first example is I is equal to integration of log x raised to n upon x into dx. Now put log x equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get. So we know that differentiation of log x is 1 upon x is equal to differentiation of t with respect to x is dt upon dx. Now this dx multiply here, so 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Now put this value in our integration, so our integration will become I into integration of log x value t raised to n and the value of 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. So he write here dt. Now take that integration of t raised to n is t raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Now put the value of t which is log x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is your answer. Means put here t instead of log x where 1 upon x is their differentiation. So our answer is I is equal to log x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c where c is the integration constant. Now next example is I is equal to integration of e raised to 3x upon e raised to 3x plus 1 into dx. Put this denominator is t. Put e raised to 3x plus 1 is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get. So differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x, but 3 is multiplied to variable, so into 3, and differentiation of 1 is 0 is equal to differentiation of t is dt upon dx. So it is 3 e raised to 3x into dx is equal to dt. Now you can observe here e raised to 3x into dx. So this 3 goes to RHS side like dt upon 3. Now put these values in our integration, so we get I is equal to e raised to 3x into dx is equal to dt upon 3. So and 1 upon e raised to 3x plus 1 equal to t. So it is 1 upon t into dt upon 3. 3 is the constant, take outside of integration, so we get 1 upon 3 integration of 1 upon t dt. Now we know that integration of 1 upon t is log t, so 1 upon 3 log t plus c. Now here put the value of t which is e raised to 3x plus 1. So I is equal to 1 by 3 log of e raised to 3x plus 1 plus c, which is your answer. Now our next example is I is equal to integration of e raised to x into log of sin e raised to x upon tan e raised to x. So we know that 1 upon tan is cot. So write here I is equal to right here 1 upon tan x is cot x. Okay, then put log of sin e raised to x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. We gain. So differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So 1 upon sin e raised to x into derivative of sin e raised to x is equal to dt upon dx. 1 upon sin e raised to x as it is into derivative of sin e raised to x is cos e raised to x and derivative of e raised to x is equal to dt upon dx. Sorry, here is dx. Now again cos e raised to x upon sin e raised to x into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, which is equal to dt upon dx. Now we know that cos x upon sin x is cot x. Therefore cot e raised to x into e raised to x is equal to dt upon dx. Sorry, here write dx. Now this dx is multiply here. So cot e raised to x into e raised to x dx is equal to dt. Now put that values in our integration. So it will become I is equal to e raised to x into cot e raised to x. Here is dx. Sorry, here also dx. These values are dt and log sin e raised to x is t. So integration of t into dt. This is our substitution. Now taking integration of t is t square upon 2 plus c. So put the value of t. What is t? Log of sin e raised to x. So log of sin of e raised to x whole square upon 2 plus c. This is our value of integration. Now next example is I is equal to 1 upon sin x into cos x plus 2 cos square x into dx. So first divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, we get. So I is equal to integration of 1 upon cos square x upon sin x into cos x plus 2 cos square x upon cos square x into dx. Now separate the cos square x. So we get integration of 1 upon cos square x upon sin x into cos x upon cos square x plus 2 cos square x upon cos square x into dx. So we know that 1 upon cos is sec. So you can write here integration of sec square x upon this cos and this cos get cancelled. So only remaining sin x upon cos x plus 2 cos square x cancel. So here is only integration of sec square x upon tan x plus 2 into dx. Now put tan x plus 2 equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x we get. So d by dx of tan x plus 2 is equal to dt upon dx. So derivative of tan x is sec square x plus derivative of 2 is 0 is equal to dt upon dx. So our final answer is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now put that value in our integration. This is sec square x dx, the value is dt, and value of tan x plus 2 is t. So our integration will become I is equal to integration of 1 upon t dt, and we know that integration of 1 upon t is log t plus c. Now put the value of t, which is tan x plus 2. So this is your answer. I is equal to log of tan x plus 2 plus c. Now there is some rule in integration, which is integration of f dash of x upon fx dx is equal to log fx plus c. Means numerator is a differentiation of denominator, then our answer is log of denominator. Here also, when numerator is a differentiation of denominator and denominator is in under root, then our answer is 2 into denominator plus c. Now there are some example on this rule. So our first example is I is equal to e raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 1. So first divide numerator and denominator by e raised to x we get. So I is equal to separate this. Now the value e raised to 2x, so it will become e raised to 2x minus x plus e raised to minus x upon e raised to 2x minus x minus e raised to minus x. Laws of indices, 1 upon a raised to m is equal to a raised to minus m. Using this we get this step. So next, integration of e raised to x plus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x minus e raised to minus x. Now using rule we want this is differentiation of this. So check this, differentiation of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x d by dx. So derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x minus derivative of minus e raised to x is e raised to minus x into minus 1, means e raised to x minus into minus plus e raised to minus x. Hence check. So put I is equal to integration of d by dx of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx. So using this rule, integration of f dash of x upon fx dx is equal to log fx plus c. Using this rule you can put here I is equal to log e raised to x minus e raised to minus x plus c using this rule. So this is now next example is I is equal to e raised to e raised to 3 into log x into x raised to 4 plus 1 raised to minus 1 dx. So I is equal to integration of e raised to 3 into log x upon x raised to 4 plus 1 raised to 1. Raised to 1 is negligible, so into dx. Here use rule a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to 1. Now here e raised to log x raised to 3 upon x raised to 4 plus 1 into dx. Here using rule a into log b is equal to log b raised to a. This a jumps to b. So 3 jumps to x cube. Now next use here log x e raised to log x. Here is e, then our answer is only x. Using this there is e present, so we get only x cube. Log e cancel and we get only x, so like that we get only x cube. So using this x cube, integration of x cube upon x raised to 4 plus 1 dx, using this. So this is our I. Now put x raised to 4 plus 1 t, differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of x raised to 4 plus 1 into dt upon dx. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube plus 0 is equal to dt upon dx. So it is 4x cube dx is equal to dt, but we want only x cube, so here x cube dx is equal to dt upon 4. So therefore I is equal to integration value of x cube dx is dt upon 4 and value of 1 upon x raised to 4 plus 1 is t. So right here 1 upon t into dt upon 4. Thus the value is like that. 1 upon 4 is constant, take outside of integration, and 1 upon t, so it will become t raised to minus 1 dt. So it is, sorry there is mistake, integration 1 upon t and integration of 1 upon t is log t plus c. So 1 upon 4 into log value of t is x raised to 4 plus 1 plus c. So this is your answer. I is equal to. Now next example is I is equal to integration of cos 3x minus cos 4x upon sin 3x plus sin 4x into dx. So here are some formulas which we have to use. So we know that cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin d minus c upon 2, and next sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. So using this formula our integration will become I is equal to integration of 2 into sin 3x plus 4x upon 2 into sin 3x, sorry, d minus see, so 4x minus 3x upon 2 upon 2 sine 3x plus 4x upon 2 into sine 3x, sorry, here cos, into cos 3x minus 4x upon 2 into dx. Now this 2 become cancelled. So remaining integration of sine 3x plus 4 is 7x upon 2 into sine 4 minus 3x, so sine x upon 2 upon, here is same, sine 7x upon 2 into cos minus x upon 2 dx. So sine 7x upon 2, 7x upon 2 get cancelled. Only remaining integration of sine x upon 2, and we know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos of minus x upon 2 is cos x upon 2 dx. And we know that sine upon cos is tan. So integration of tan x upon 2 into dx. Now integration of tan is log of sec. So log of sec x upon 2 plus c. You can take here mod also I into. So this is your answer. Now next example is I is equal to integration of cos raised to 7x dx. So I is equal to, now you can split this cos raised to 7x like that, cos 6 raised to x into cos x dx using laws of indices. A raised to m plus n is equal to a raised to m plus, sorry, a raised to m into n into a raised to m into a raised to n. So cos square x raised to 3 into cos x dx. Here is next law, a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So it is like that integration of, now use here identity which is 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. So cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Use this identity in this integration. So we get 1 minus sin square x cube into cos x dx. Now put sin x is equal to t. This is integration. So differentiate with respect to x. We get differentiation of sin x is cos x dx. Sorry, cos x is equal to dt upon dx. Therefore, cos x dx is equal to dt. Put these values in integration. So our integration will be I is equal to integration of 1 minus t square raised to cube into cos x dx is dt. So use the formula for a minus b whole cube, which is a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus bq. So using this formula we get 1 minus 3t square plus 3t square minus t square raised to q into dt. So it will become 1 minus 3t square plus 3t raised to 4 minus t raised to 6 into dt. Here is integration sign. Now split the integration. So it will become integration of 1 dt minus integration of 3t square plus integration of 3t raised to 4 minus integration of t raised to 6 dt. Here is also dt present. So we get, take constant outside of integration. So integration 1 into dt is dt minus 3 integration of t square dt plus 3 integration of t raised to 4 dt minus integration of t raised to 6 dt. So it will become integration of dt is t minus 3 integration of t square is t cube upon 3 plus 3 integration of t raised to 4 is t raised to 5 upon 5 minus integration of t raised to 6 is t raised to 7 upon 7 plus c. So 3 get cancelled. T minus t cube plus 3 upon 5 t raised to 5 minus t raised to 7 upon 7 plus c. Now we know that value of t is sin x. So put the values. I is equal to sin x minus sin x cube plus 3 sin x raised to 5 upon 5 minus sin x raised to 7 upon 7 plus c, or you can write also sin x minus sin cube x plus 3 sin raised to 5 x upon 5 minus sin 7 raised to x upon 7 plus c. So this is our answer. Now next example is I sin raised to 5x into cos raised to 8x dx. So it will become I integration of sin raised to 4x into sin x into cos raised to 8x dx. So it will become sin square x square into sin x into cos 8 raised to x dx. Here use a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Now use here identity 1 minus cos square x square into cos raised to 8x and this sin x dx. So identity is 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x. Now put sin x cos x equal to t. So put cos x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x we get. So derivative of cos x is minus sin x and differentiation of t is dt upon dx. So it will become sin x into dx is equal to minus dt. So value of sin x dx is minus dt. Therefore, I is equal to integration of 1 minus t square and this whole square into t raised to 8 into minus dt. Because the value of cos is t, cos x is t, therefore t raised to 8. So it will become minus sign, take outside of integration, 1 minus t square into t raised to 8 dt. Now use a minus b rule. So this is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So using this rule, a square minus 2ab plus b square into this t raised to 8 dt. So this minus integration, multiply this t raised to 8 into bracket, so it will become, first calculate it, 1 minus 2t square plus t raised to 4 into t raised to 8 dt. Now multiply this t raised to 8 into this bracket, so it will become minus integration t raised to 8 minus 2 t raised to 2 into t raised to 8 plus t raised to 4 into t raised to 8 dt. So it will become minus integration t raised to 8 minus 2, 8 plus 2 10, so t raised to 10 plus 8 plus 4 12, so t raised to 12 dt. This is the rule, a raised to m in plus into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. This is the rule. So here split the integration and also multiply with minus. So minus integration of t raised to 8 dt, this minus minus plus integration to t raised to 10 dt, and this minus plus minus integration of t raised to 12 dt. So take two constant, so take outside of integration, plus 2 integration of t raised to 10 dt minus t raised to 12 dt. Take integration minus t raised to 9 upon 9 plus 2 t raised to 11 upon 11 minus t raised to 13 upon 13 plus c. Now put the value of t, which is value of t is cos, so put this value, therefore I is equal to minus cos x raised to 9 upon 9 plus 2 into cos x raised to 11 upon 11 minus cos x raised to 13 upon 13 plus c. So you can write also like that, I is equal to minus cos raised to 9x upon 9 plus 2 cos raised to 11x upon 11 minus cos 13x upon 13 plus c. So this is your answer. Now there are some practice problem from exercise 3.2a. So evaluate this following integration. First problem, integration 1 plus x upon x into sine x plus log x dx. This is the substitution. Second, x into sec square x square under root of tan cube x square dx. Next 4, integration of sin raised to 4x into cos cube x dx. Integration of 2 sin x into cos x upon 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x dx. Fifth, integration of 1 upon x into log of log x dx. And here integration of cos raised to 8x into cot x dx. Student, here cot x is split cos x upon sin x. Then it is very easy to solve. So this is your practice problem which you have to solve. Try to solve this problem. If any doubt, then you can call me. Thank you, student.